Now let's go with our heart-shaped drum. It sounds a little bit different. Finally, we have star-shaped drum. When we superimpose the pattern of those three small drums, we see that they're not quite exactly the same. They have different patterns, and so we can tell the difference between one small drum and another. In the same way, what we're planning to do